heard in the news that leopards sometimes are spotted in a town or a city. There have been instances where herds of animals have destroyed crops in villages. Do you wonder why these incidents occur? With our increasing population, the land available is not enough for both people and animals to live. We are cutting down forests and making more space for ourselves. These forests are a home to the animals. We are encroaching on their home. Thus, these animals are spotted in the city or in villages. Many animals are declining rapidly and are on the verge of becoming extinct because their habitats are vanishing.